Hello, we've been harvesting potatoes here at Homegrown Veg from our 10-inch water buckets, and the last couple of buckets I've harvested have been grown from certified seed potatoes. I've harvested a bucket of Vivaldi. This is Vivaldi. And this is what we got from Vivaldi. I've harvested Kestrel. And this is what we got from Kestrel. The potato we're going to harvest today is a potato called Jazzy. It's a set-aside shop-bought potato and it has no certification whatsoever. So let's go and get Jazzy. We'll do this reveal. One potato from a 10-inch water bucket, and we'll see how it compares with the more illustrious certified seed potatoes, and more expensive, by the way. And you judge, you decide if we really need to go for certified seed potatoes or shop-bought potatoes will give us just as good a result. You make that decision. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's go and get Jazzy. Well, that looks like another 1.5 pound. I think we're happy with that, aren't we? One went in, 1.5 pound came out. Yeah, of course we're happy with that. Hey, another result. It's Homegrown Veg signing out. You decide if we really need to go for certified seed potatoes or shop bought potatoes will give us just as good a result. You make that decision. Let me know what you think.